This would be a major change to U.S. immigration policy. Dating back to the 1990s, the U.S. has allowed asylum applicants to work in the U.S. lawfully while their cases are adjudicated, mainly to prevent them from relying on government aid and assistance. And typically, under current procedures and regulations, asylum applicants can be eligible for that work permit once their case has been pending for 180 days. But this proposal under consideration by the Trump administration would upend that process by enacting a pause, a suspension in work permits for asylum seekers until officials are able to process and adjudicate all asylum cases within an average of 180 days. And even if that goal is reached, which is very unlikely given the current constraints and backlogs, officials would increase the waiting period for asylum seekers to be eligible for a work permit from 6 months to 1 year.
What's the practical effect for somebody?
Well, the practical effect is that if this pause goes into effect and you are applying for asylum, you are no longer able to get that work permit and you would have to rely on others or the government for subsistence. But the administration is arguing that this will curtail abuse in the system. Advocates are concerned, however, that this will encourage migrants to work in the U.S. illegally in dangerous and unlawful jobs.